shall we? I just got a Telfar bag. Yeah. My name's on the package. Honey. And I sanitized the package too, by the way. Ladesha, why a Telfar bag? Why this bag? Well, I'll tell you why. Because I decided to treat myself with a luxury item. And what better item to get than something that's vegan leather, hello, I'm a vegan, and that's black owned, and hello, I don't know if you can tell, I'm black. Okay, so the bag is revealed and we're ready to talk about it. Let's dish. So like I said, I got it in the gold color here. It feels like vegan leather, which if you know what vegan leather is, it means it was not made by real leather, which is a cow. It definitely still feels like a great bag. Like it doesn't feel cheap like what most people would call pleather or something to be like. It doesn't feel like that at all. I got this small size. I thought it'd be great for me because typically, like I like bags that I can just grab for the to go, and I don't like to carry that much stuff in my bags, especially if I'm like out and about and I'm not actually like doing photography or like working that day. So I love something like this that you can just throw on your shoulder, go to the store, whatever, but also be flat at the same time. Period. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope we get you a Telfar bag too, okay? Enjoy yourself and support a black-owned business or a black-owned brand. Period. What better time? And go out and vote. See you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your year. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and share this video. And hopefully I'll be making more videos for y'all to watch really soon. The day is out. Bye!